Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to slow a clip in CapCut. To slow down a clip in a CapCut, follow these steps. Launch CapCut and start a new project by tapping the New Project button. Choose the video clip you want to edit from your gallery, then tap on Add. Once the clip is on the timeline, tap on it to reveal editing options. Tap Speed in the bottom menu. Here, you'll see two options: Normal and Curve. Normal. Use this for a consistent slow motion effect. Tap Normal, then adjust the slider to a slower speed, like 0.5x or lower. How about the curve? Now tap the check button. Tap Curve. Use this if you want to create variable speed within the same clip. Tap Curve, then choose from preset curves like Montage or Hero. You can also customize the curve using Custom. Then tap Edit to customize your slow effect by adjusting the mini circles for more control over the speed changes throughout the clip. Tap the check button, then tap play button to preview your changes. Adjust as needed until the speed looks good. Once you're satisfied, tap the export button in the top right corner to save your edited video. And that's it. This should give you a smooth slow motion effect for your clip in CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.